Hi, in this video I will show you how to create your own logo on the Canva. So if you don't know how to use the Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator to create your logo, you can simply do it on the Canva. You can create your own logo as well as you will find the templates in the Canva. So let's start it. You can use laptop or your phone to create it. Both versions are available for the Canva. Now you have to click on the create design and go to the logo from here, and you will see a page is already here. So if you want to create your own logo, so simply you have to follow this procedure. To add something, you have to click on the elements, and here you have to search for the 3D building or anything you want to make a logo for. I search for the building here and I will find different buildings. I select this one and place it here. Logo designing is about just the creativity of your mind. So in the elements I get a building. So I am in this video I am just making a logo for a construction company. Go to the text and add some text here like Ferrari Constructions. You can apply effect on the text as well. So here, now go to the elements to make it more attractive. So recently, if you have pro version, then it's better. Otherwise you can use free things. You can delete it from here. You can also use this one. Yeah, see, so a logo is created. Now you can simply click on the download, and if you have pro version you can get a png file from here. Otherwise you can simply download it with the background. So this is the procedure to create a logo on the Canva. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.